CNSL is mainly used as fuel for furnaces in factories smelting aluminum, steel, silicates, cramite bricks, etc. by mixing fuel oil or completely replacing fuel oil to reduce costs. CNSL being used as energy input in the energy sector too. CNSL has qualities replicating furnace oil. The potential as fuel gives it additional value. As a biofuel, it can compete with costlier petroleum products. CNSL is mainly used in the oil paint industry, as a solvent for anti-rust and anti-scratch paints for ships, drilling rigs, and friction powder after being obtained from the exploitation of CNSL using brake pads.